Hey everyone, Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College. Now that I've hit my goal of 100,000 subscribers, I'm not going to worry too much about chopping up my songs into little pieces and avoiding the copyright thing where they don't monetize your video. So I don't really care about that as much. I'm going to play songs more in their complete form, hopefully, if I can get through them, and use some original recordings once in a while to talk about the songs. But anyway, I got a good song here, What Now My Love. I think it's originally a French song. Yes, it is. And, Frank Sinatra has a great version of it on his Duets album. And it's a song I've always liked, but this one just kills me. It says it's moderate bolero tempo. And as I'm playing the beginning here, and I'll put the sheet music down there in the description, this is authorized for sale in the Western Hemisphere only. But check out this beginning and tell me what classical piece this sounds like to you. Ravel's Bolero. And it says moderate bolero tempo here. So I don't know if the arranger here was thinking of that song or not, but anyway, it certainly reminded me of it. And I actually used to perform that song once in a while with my band, and we did some crazy stuff with it. Anyway, I'm just going to kind of play the sheet music. It's not going to be perfect because I'm not that great of a sight reader. Thinking on that Duets album with Frank Sinatra, I believe it's Aretha Franklin that sings it along with him. And just thinking about her singing just gives me goosebumps. But anyway, you could certainly do this in a more swingy jazz thing. All right, there you go. And I'm working through a big pile of sheet music. And the next thing I'm going to cover, will be in the next video, is Lush Life in the key of F, and it's a piano arrangement. So stay tuned for that.